Right, today we are going to demonstrate if you would like to install PuTTY on your Windows, then how we can install PuTTY. So this is the part today we are going to demonstrate. So for that, just open any browser and in Google just search PuTTY on for Windows, something like that. So very first link itself came. So PuTTY is a SSH client, or we can say if you want to do any EC2 instance, SSH or Telnet, then by using this PuTTY client we can do that. So let's click on that and click on the download. And PuTTY basically it support all three major operating system like Windows, Mac and Linux. So our demo is today for Windows, so we'll select Windows specific version only. So Windows have two version here, like one is the 62-bit and 64-bit, and another one is the 32-bit. So our VM or my Windows is 64-bit, so I will select this one. And this is very latest version PuTTY. It's a 0.82 version latest. So once it is download completed, then download is completed, just click on here install. So it is asking, are you sure you want to install this PuTTY here? So it is here next page, click on go next, and then next page it will come like which location or destination folder you want to install PuTTY. So if you don't want this default location, you can change by clicking here. So let's keep for this default only, and then install PuTTY file. Let's keep this is also default, don't change anything here. So it's a confirmation, so it is done. So you would like to view the readme file, or if you don't want, then unchecked, or if you want to see the readme file, then you can click okay. So I don't want to see the readme file. So PuTTY installation is completed. Okay guys, so now how we can check PuTTY is installed or not? So let's go to the search bar and search here PuTTY. So if you click here, then PuTTY is installed and PuTTY is coming here. And along with this PuTTY Gen also it's installed. So PuTTY Gen basically if you want to generate your own certificate, that part also will go to demonstrate in next video. And if you want to convert like from PEM file to PPK file, that also we can using this PuTTY Gen. So PuTTY Gen also install here. PuTTY Gen, if you see here, PuTTY Gen. So this is the PuTTY Gen. It will be looks like this. Okay guys, so I hope this session will helpful to you guys, and if you feel this video is valuable, then please like this video and subscribe my channel and share surrounding with your friends. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Chalo, bye.